Hello, today I want to tell you a little bit about alcohol ink and the different papers and things that you can use with alcohol ink. I'll start off today with the Yupo paper. Now, this Yupo paper is a synthetic waterproof paper. It's recyclable, tree-free, and it's made of 100% polypropylene. It's extremely strong and durable. It can't be ripped. You can do what you like with it. You can't rip it. It feels like a plastic. It feels like a plastic paper, completely waterproof, and it's the best paper that you can use for alcohol ink. Yupo paper can be used for stamping, for die cutting. It can be used with various types of inks, alcohol ink, mists, sprays, all mixed media mediums. Obviously, using this sort of paper, which is waterproof, nothing soaks into the paper. So to speed up the drying time, you can use a heat tool to dry your masterpiece. Many people have asked, can we use a hairdryer? Now, the only problem with a hairdryer is if you put that on a high setting and it's too warm, you'll burn your paper, and because it feels a little bit like plastic, you're going to warp your paper. If you're going to use a hairdryer, please use it on the lowest setting or on the cold setting. Ranger also has different types of paper to use with alcohol ink. This is the brushed silver alcohol ink cardstock. You could use any glossy mirror paper or a metallic paper. So long as it's waterproof, you could use your alcohol ink on top. Now, the problem with using alcohol ink on media paper is that the alcohol ink, it soaks straight in. So I'm just going to let you see what the effect is. As you can see, it dries and evaporates within seconds. You can't do a thing with it. If you want to try and blend it with a blending solution, it does absolutely nothing. So it has to be a waterproof paper that you use. So that is the effect using a media paper or watercolor paper. When you use alcohol ink on the Yupo paper, it flows. You can use the blower from Tim Holtz. It stays on the top of the paper, and it is flexible. Another handy thing to use with alcohol ink is the alcohol ink palette from Ranger. When you're finished using, don't wash or clean these out, because you can revitalise the colours by using a little bit blending solution, dip in your paintbrush, and then you can continue using all those colours that are in your palette. Thanks for watching the video today. If you would like to leave any comments in the box, please do. If you have any questions and would like any further information, please follow us on social media. And if you'd like to watch more of our videos, please click on the left and watch our videos. They're very informative. Bye!